Hi everyone, welcome back to Candy Multi Services. In today's video, we're going to I am going to show you how to file your quarterly taxes for the state of New York, better known as the HUT or HUT New York. We're just going to go find their website here. Pretty much the website is tax.ny.gov. You're going to click on here to the highway use tax, and we're going to go to the little person here to click on to log in. This website is for purposes of paying any highway taxes, to renew your decals for your HUT stickers, and let's get started. So we're going to click on the person here and we're going to log in. If you are going to create an account, obviously you will click the create account, but for this purposes, we're going to log in. And it's going to bring us to the screen here. It's going to say the NYGov ID. So you're going to you're going to type in your username, and this is technically the username that you have chosen when you first created this portal. So I'm quickly going to just log in and we're going to get started. I'm going to click save here. If this is your personal computer, I would suggest you save it. If not, then obviously I wouldn't save it. Okay. And when you log in, it's going to say your name here. If you click on it, it's going to say the name of your company and your EIN number. Obviously, this is a business account and you're the master administrator. If someone else was doing it for you, they will actually be power of attorney, third party, and all the good stuff. I currently file all the taxes, all the paperwork for my partner's company. So here we are. When you log in, it's going to give you the account summary. It's going to give you just like a quick rundown of everything that it's needed that you've done in the most recent months. So for the purpose of this video, we're going to file our tax quarterly. So we're going to click here. And again, it's going to say, give us the option. It says use highway control. We're going to have to use this form. The easiest way to file provides the flexibility, and it gives us the due date, which we all know it's a month after the actual quarter is done. It also say that if the filing due date it falls on a holiday or on a weekend, then the next business day will be considered the due date. So we're going to continue and close this out. So we're going to go to services here on the right hand corner, and it's going to give you a lot of options here, but for the purpose of this video, we're only interested in doing our highway tax return. So we're going to click on other taxes, and again it gives you a whole bunch of other options, but again we're only using the tax, so we're going to get the highways use tax file. So it's going to pop up and it's going to bring us to another screen. So here is just going to show again our tax ID number and the company, the name of the company, sorry. And then again, right now it shows still that I'm a quarterly file. With the state of New York, they pretty much monitor your usage. If you don't really use or go to New York as often, or you don't purchase any gallons there, they'll automatically change you to a annually filer. But as of right now, since we do travel in the state of New York, here and there, we are still considered a quarterly filer. So again, our billing periods are for the second quarter, so that runs from April 1st to June 30th of 2023. And then it asks you a few questions. If we have any highway tax to report. This question serves you if you do have any taxes to report, obviously yes. If no, then you would hit no. So for our purposes, we're going to click on yes because we did run mileage in the state of New York. I am not filing an amended return. This pretty much means that if you have already submitted it and you made any errors or you have to edit it, this will be you will come here. And again, it's very easy and helps you a lot through the system. I find the HUT is a little bit more user friendly than the state of New Jersey. The state of New Jersey, like I had previously mentioned in my other videos, is very babyish, in the sense that anything wrong you do, it will lock you out. You will have to give them a call, and then they will have to restore it back, and then so you can start all over again. Obviously, we're filing through gross weight. We just have a truck. We do not have our own trailer, so anything that we're running for, even if we're laden or unladen, everything's gonna go through gross weight. I don't have more than 3 vehicles, so my answer is no, and I will manually enter the data. Just because I don't have any certificates to upload, I prefer just entering manually. I'm going to leave this question blank, the US DOT, because we currently do not have our own DOT number. If you were to be closing your business and you're no longer going to run under this particular tax ID, then the next question is where you want to go if you want to permanently close your business. Obviously, it's self-explained. It says, are you permanently discontinuing your business for highways use tax purposes and filing your final return? Right now, we're not doing that, so my answer to this question is going to be no. And just make sure again we clicked everything correctly. If you click something incorrect, it's going to give you the option to go back and fix this. So we're just going to click continue. And then again, I'm pretty sure you guys just heard me saying with laden or unladen, I always just go laden, because for the most part, laden means that you have the truck with the tractor trailer. The only reason we go to New York is to drop off a load and we come back with a load. So we're always going to use laden. And then unladen obviously is the truck or without the trailer. So it gives you the options here. Only you would know if you're carrying or if you carry anything with or without the trailer for this most part. My certificate number pretty much means it's just my customer ID for the state of New York. If we click on it again, it just gives me my information, my VIN number, my truck number, and all that good stuff. So I'm just going to go to previous, because I'm going to go back to the previous page. So one more second. Okay, and we're back to the page. So right now, for this quarter, we have obviously, like I explained before, only use laden taxable miles. So we're going to input the mileages that we used. You would get this mileage for any ELD, like electronic logbooks that you have, or if you have a really good GPS system. The GPS system pretty much tracks the mileage for you, and you just have to pull the reports from there and save into your computer, and that's how you get your number. So once I enter my mileage, I am going to just click calculate. And again, it did what it did. I'm not sure really what it did, but it brought me to this screen. Again, it's going to give me my certificate number, which is just my customer number with the HUT, my VIN number, my gross weight. We do have a tractor trailer, so this is our gross weight, unloaded weight as is. And again, we're gonna put the taxable miles that we ran in New York, and it's going to be the the same number as we previously put in the last screen. So it's going to be 458. And then it asks you to ask for the unladen. So obviously we didn't do unladen, so we're just going to put the same thing. Sorry, excuse me. We're going to just put 0, and we're going to calculate, and it's going to give us the rates and based on what we have to pay. So it pretty much calculates easily. I'm telling you guys this, the New York is the easiest website you can navigate through, so much better than the state of New Jersey, and it's just self-explanatory. So again, my miles, it's going to give me my rate, nothing unladen, just because I didn't have this options. And then we're just going to continue. We're going to schedule summary. And again, it's going to show us here the mileage that we did, the amount that we owe for Latin. We're going to click on their certificate because this is how you're going to be able to pay for your amount that you owe on the next screen. So we click on the certificate number and then we click continue. And then again, it's going to bring us to the last screen. Again, our tax ID and our company's name, the filing period, and the due date, which today's the 28th. We have a 2 days wiggle, pretty much 1 day because the weekend doesn't count. Here again, this is the taxable miles that I ran in the state of New York. Then it's asking you again, total miles travels in New York, including throughway miles. So again, if you don't understand what that question means, it asks add throughway miles to taxable miles to get the total miles. Again, our total miles is 458, and we're going to calculate everything all over again. And again, the amount stays the same because we haven't changed or added any extra miles. They're pretty much just doing it just so you can put in the information again just to make sure you did it correct in the first time. After that, towards the bottom of the screen, as it says that you would like to change any pre-calculated amount, and if you fail to pay the amount, you may do some penalties and interest. So for purpose of this video, we're going to continue. And then I already have my information put into the system because I have filed previously tax returns with them before. But if not, then you would just go here and enter your bank account. It does not allow you to enter a debit card. You would automatically have to get the information from your bank account, meaning your account number, your routing number, and all that good stuff, and save it to your profile. If you no longer have this account, it gives you the option to remove and then add a new account. So since I'm ready, my account has not changed, I'm going to put it for today. Since I don't want to be late or anything and I'm doing it today, might as well just pay it today. So I'm going to click continue. It will help if I click on my account. So let's go back and we're going to click continue here. And then again, it's just the breakdown of everything we did. We're going to do the filing period, the gross method, and then the amount due. I'm going to view it one more time just so I can be able to save this and print for my records. Just let me do this really quick. It's just going to save 16, quarter number 2. You're not seeing in my screen right now that I'm saving, so this is what I'm doing. If you just see that I have the certificate up, what I'm doing right now is just saving this report into my my files. So we're gonna go back. That again, going back, is just the filing period. If you click here, it's just pretty much the document that you put your miles in, and it tells you how much it is, the amount that you're going to pay, the account that you're going to pay in. I'm quickly going to move it because I do not want to show my account details, and then the amount we're going to pay. Towards the bottom, it's just going to say, in other words, I'm not going to read the whole thing. It's just pretty much that you're, by clicking submit, you're agreeing that all the information is correct and that you are going to pay your responsible fees, in quicker other words. So we're going to click submit. And we have automatically printed. Again, this is the transaction confirmation. I would suggest you print this as well for your records. Just because you never know if they don't receive it or if something's wrong, or it's always good to have your information. This one looks exactly like the other one we printed. However, the only difference is it actually shows us that we made our payment for this period. It gives us all the information here at the bottom first page. So I'm actually going to replace this one with my original file that I saved, and we're all done. And then once we're done, it doesn't give you the options to exit. So pretty much what I always do is I just go back and click the top right corner there. It didn't do anything. So I pretty much go here and just go home, and we're done. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you make sure you like and comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and have a great evening.